You will be amazed by this 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD, the heavy-duty full-size pickup truck that has the power and technology you need to get the big jobs done. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, premium sound system, backup camera, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, Bluetooth, traction control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system. Take the high road. Get a truck that has all the power and technology you need and the comfort you deserve. Test drive the Silverado 2500 HD.